So my Cummins N14 has been having hard starts. Takes a long time to start, so I'm pretty sure it's a check valve. But the check valve is back there. It's on the coolant plate. But you gotta take this fuel line off. There's some things in the way. I hope it doesn't hit this. Pretty sure I could take it off without, probably take that off to get a little bit more room. But yeah, not as easy as I thought to change. Hopefully I don't have to. I'm pretty sure that 90 doesn't spin, so if it doesn't spin, that way I don't have to take my ECM off. But hopefully this will cure the hard start. It's been doing it for a while, but we'll see.